21 key phrasal verbs for the workplace. Clock in. Punch in. To officially start work by recording your arrival time. I clock in at 8 a.m. every day. Don't forget to punch in when you arrive. Punch out or clock out. To officially finish work by recording the time you leave. I usually clock out around 5 p.m. Don't forget to punch out before you leave. Get off. To leave work with permission, usually at the end of the day. Steve gets off work at 4 p.m. on Thursdays. I can't wait to get off work to relax at home. Soldier on. Continue doing something despite difficulties. Even with all the problems, we soldiered on and got the project done. We had to soldier on to finish the project by the deadline. Knuckle down. Knuckle down. To start working or studying hard. I need to knuckle down and finish the project before the deadline. It's time to knuckle down and focus on the report. Have or take time off. To take a break from work for a certain amount of time. I have a few days off next month for vacation. Lucy took the afternoon off to visit her doctor. Catch up. Catch up on. Do work that you didn't have time to do earlier. I'm catching up on some paperwork I missed last week. I need to catch up on my emails before the meeting starts. Carry out. Carry out. Complete a task. The team will carry out the final testing this afternoon. The manager asked me to carry out the new project plan by Friday. Slack off. Slack off. If someone slacks off, they stop working hard or putting effort into something. Ted has been slacking off lately, not completing his tasks. You can't slack off on this project. It's very important. Chase up, chase up. Ask someone for something. Again. Lucy chased up the report that was delayed for a week. John had to chase up the missing document from his colleague. Slug away, slug away. To work very hard for a long time. Mark slugged away at his report for hours to finish it. She slugged away at her work all day to finish it. Plug away, plug away. Work hard to achieve something difficult. Fiona plugged away at the project until it was done. He has been plugging away at his tasks all day without a break. Pile up, pile up. To increase in amount. The work started to pile up, so I stayed late to catch up. The emails piled up, so I spent the afternoon replying to them. Pencil in, pencil in. Agree on a time or date that might be changed later. We can pencil in a meeting for next week, but let's confirm it later. I'll pencil in a call for Thursday, but I'll let you know if anything changes. Meet up with. To see another person or group in order to discuss something. I'm planning to meet up with the team for lunch today. I'm meeting up with the project team to go over the latest updates. Talk over, talk over. To discuss a situation with someone to get their advice or opinion before deciding. Let's talk over the new plan before we make a decision. We need to talk over your schedule for next week. Call off, call off. Cancel an event. The manager had to call off the meeting because of an emergency. The event was called off due to bad weather. Call in, call in. Telephone your workplace. I had to call in to let them know I would be late. She called in to say she would be working from home today.